Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we wanted to see if there's any difference between iPhone 16 and 16 Plus front glass replacement. We previously made a video on iPhone 16 front glass replacement, and today we wanted to see the 16 Plus. I have to say the iPhone 16 lineup has one of the best glass. I tried scratching it, but it didn't get scratched with a screwdriver or blade. I used a glass cutter and obviously it got scratched with it. I set the temperature to 120. It's good enough to separate the glass. Make sure to start it from the bottom. I normally use 0.02 mm wire. You can also use 0.028 mm or even up to 0.035 mm thick wire. It's totally safe. At this point, I'm gonna say there is not any difference between the 16 and 16 Plus glass replacement, apart from 16 Plus being bigger. Make sure the screen is warm and remove the glue bit by bit, and do not use the glue remover all at once on the screen, as it could lead the touchscreen malfunction issues. I am using a grinder machine on the frame as the frame is raised and glue won't settle properly if I don't grind the frame and level it with the OLED. I am using isopropyl alcohol to clean the screen. To give it proper strength, I used black glue on the frame. After gluing, I'm going to put the glass on top of the OLED. Now I'm going to put it in the laminator machine for 1 minute. Now we're going to put it in the debubbling machine for around 5 minutes. As you can see, the screen has been perfectly refurbished and looks brand new. We are going to test the screen to see if it's working. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. The touch is smooth. And now we're going to put everything back together. So guys, if you would like us to replace a front glass, please send us a message on WhatsApp. We will ask you to send us a picture of the device. Once we approve it, then you could send it to us. We will fix it and post it back to you. Please like and subscribe to our video. Thanks for watching.